Okay, I got this barrel today in the mail from Colerain. They were really great right there. It's the information. They're a really great company, at least so far, to work with. I've not, of course, opened it yet. This is an unboxing video. But dealing with them was really great. I called them and talked to the gentleman on the phone, and they're very good at responding to email. And sent the check out I sent the check out Thursday evening. You got an email from them, or Thursday earlier. I got an email Friday that they had received it and they were sending a barrel out, and it was Easter weekend. Today's Monday, and it was on my doorstep this morning. So it did pretty well in terms of customer service and everything. Really great little company. So let's open it up and see how the product is. I'm kind of new to ordering these, so we'll see. Okay. I guess we'll just snip this tape here. It's an industrial kind of shipping tape. It's the fibers in it that reinforces it. Careful not to scratch anything up, but it feels like there's some good packaging in there. So this is supposed to be, I think it is, a 44-inch long, 62 caliber smooth bore barrel for my next kind of undecided matchlock project. Oh yeah. Yeah, so even as a newspaper packing, it's really well packed. I went ahead and got one with the end of it in there, the plug in. So it just needs drilled out. And, oh yeah. So that's really nice. There's the finish. It's octagonal to round barrel. So you got octagonal and then this nice little band right there. I don't know if you can see that. Nice little band cut in, octagonal barrel. And tapers down to round here. In the end, it's, Then I went ahead and put in the plug as well, which is really great. It's still gonna need drilled out, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. Yeah, I think it's pretty great. So yeah, it's a 62 caliber smooth bore, which is a 20 gauge barrel. So they're a Fowler barrel, so pretty excited about it. So yeah, that's it.